Is pain waking you up at night? Waking up in the middle of the night because of pain can be more than just frustrating. It can severely affect your health, mood, and quality of life. If pain is disturbing your sleep, you're not alone. Many people struggle with this issue, and while it might seem like a normal part of life or aging, it's often a signal from your body that something deeper needs attention. The link between sleep and pain. Sleep and pain are closely connected. Poor sleep can make you more sensitive to pain, and pain can make it harder to get restful sleep. It becomes a vicious cycle. You're in pain, so you can't sleep, and because you can't sleep, your body's natural ability to manage pain decreases. Studies have shown that even one night of poor sleep can reduce pain tolerance the next day. Pain that wakes you up could come from a variety of source: musculoskeletal problems like back pain, arthritis, neck strain, or even nerve-related conditions such as sciatica or fibromyalgia. In other cases, it may be linked to inflammation, poor posture during the day, or sleeping in a position that aggravates certain parts of your body. Common causes of nighttime pain. 1. Poor mattress or pillow support. An old or unsupportive mattress or pillow can strain your spine and joints, leading to back, neck, or shoulder pain. If you wake up stiff or sore, it may be time to reassess your sleep setup. 2. Inflammatory conditions. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or ankylosing spondylitis often cause more pain at night. Lying still for long periods can increase stiffness and inflammation in joints, leading to disrupted sleep. 3. Muscle imbalances or weak core. If your muscles are out of balance or your core is weak, your body may not be supported properly during the day or night. This can lead to pressure on nerves or stress on joints that flares up when you lie down. 4. Nerve pain. Conditions like sciatica or a pinched nerve in the neck can cause sharp or burning pain that intensifies at night. This type of pain can radiate down the arms or legs and keep you tossing and turning. What you can do about it. The good news is that there are steps you can take to reduce or eliminate nighttime pain and finally get some restful sleep. 1. Optimize your sleep environment. Invest in a good quality mattress and pillow that provide the right support for your sleeping position. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet to encourage deeper sleep. 2. Change your sleeping position. Try sleeping on your back with a pillow under your knees or on your side with a pillow between your knees. Avoid sleeping on your stomach, as it often puts strain on the lower back and neck. 3. Gentle evening stretching or mobility work. Doing light stretches or mobility exercises before bed can ease tension in your muscles and joints, helping you fall asleep more comfortably. 4. Strengthen core and postural muscles. A strong core helps support the spine and maintain proper posture. Over time, this can. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.